sorry, they vote FDC and UPC is the major party. Though now they lost hope because Akena became a brother to Museveni and they take it like he sold their party. But I still believe no matter whether the whole opposition moves and support a NUP candidate, I will not mention their name, their candidates, but I know the Dr. Ogwal, the doctor who's on FDC card, stand higher chances of winning this election. Being a daughter to Cecily Ogwal, people may give sympathy vote the way they voted the mother. That is my standing. And I know NRM will prove to have many people following, but there will be supporters and followers. But according to the situation, how people yearn for change, me, I still think that lady of FDC, Dr. Ogwal, has the higher chances of winning. It's Mugisha Charles Katongole from Busiro North, Kachiri sub-county. Busiro North comprising of Kachiri, Masurita na Mayumba. And I'm the founder of a new political wave called Operation Batuba Once Kwechikiro Kusobola Kwerwanirira, meaning that natives, the commoners, the peasants should be the MPs, should choose the MPs from themselves, such that they can fight for their rights, knowing the real problems which they face, not using the officials from government to rule them. That's Mugisha Charles, the next MP of Busiro North. Yes, today I want to talk about by-election, which is going to take place in Dokolo district. Yeah, I'm not new in those districts. I'm a student of Gulu University Medical School, which is near. I'm a health tutor. I lecture in Lila, Jerusalem Institute of Health Science. I lecture medical students there, pharmacy department. So Dokolo is just very close to Lila, and at least I'm talking about out of experience. But according to the observation, as you know, by elections, you find that very many politicians are going to move from Kampala. They will move, you see a larger gang of people following their candidates. But actually, it will show how Ugandans are taking this opposition and the government. But to be realistic, Northern Region, I've been there. I told you I'm a student. I studied from Gulu University. I'm working from Lila. I've been in Dokolo before. I've been in Oyam, I've been in a neighboring district like Odek. That's where I did my internship. So I know those people. Because of much poverty, which is killing, which has really hit those regions, people are voting carelessly. They are voting NRM, not knowing whether it has a problem. They vote NRM, they vote FDC, sorry, they vote FDC and UPC is the major party. Though now they lost hope because Akena became a brother to Museveni and they take it like he sold their party. But I still believe no matter whether the whole opposition moves and support a NUP candidate, I will not mention their name, their candidates, but I know the Dr. Ogwal, the doctor who's on FDC card, stand higher chances of winning this election. Being a daughter to Cecily Ogwal, people may give sympathy vote the way they voted the mother. That is my standing. And I know NRM will prove to have many people following, but there will be supporters and followers. But according to the situation, how people yearn for change, me, I still think that lady of FDC, Dr. Ogwal, has the higher chances of winning. That's my standing and how I know the situation in Dokolo. People vote you like you, they love UPC too much. They vote NRM because of ignorance and not knowing what is happening. And Cecily Ogwal herself was an opposition candidate, was an FDC person, and the daughter is also FDC, so I think. And I give all my support to that lady.
Okay. So that is your opinion? That's
my opinion. And giving the support is not because she's a daughter to the late Cecily Ogwal, but because we need opposition to take that seat. And even if I say I wish NUP candidate to take it, there is totally no chance for a NUP candidate to win Dokolo district.
Really? Bobi Wine was there today.
Bobi Wine is Bobi Wine. Those people doesn't vote Bobi Wine. Even people of Masaka, they mentioned it, they voted in Puka, not? Bobi Wine. So even Dokolo, you see these people come. Even Museveni will go. Even Bobi Wine will go. Even this guy Alangiridde was there. But people will still vote what is legit. According, and those people of Northern region, they are not people who follow this excitement. You can't just come and tell them that you give me the vote because Museveni, I'm chasing Museveni out of this country for in the 3 days, and they say, hey, oh, you off, no. Those people, they vote. Some vote because of ignorance and much poverty. Others vote because they love also opposition. But by the way, they are opposition people. They don't support the government in power, but they feel they have nothing to do. But my view still says this guy, Dr. Gwal, is going to win that race.
Okay, thank you.